Live from the ABC 25 studio, this is Eyewitness News at 10.
Hello, everyone. Thanks so much for joining us this evening. I'm Shelley Kirk.
I'm Brandon Bartlett. Tonight in Evansville, a woman fights for justice after the trial for her mom's accused killer is delayed again.
Robert Ballard Jr. is accused of murder in the shooting death of Amanda Weir in 2018. He's been found incompetent to stand trial 7 times.
He was set to face a jury next week, but that trial has also been canceled. Eyewitness News' Ann Powell sat down with Weir's daughter tonight.
7 years and no justice.
It's very traumatizing having to relive it over and over and over again. You know, it's just like a slap in the face.
Sarah Harbison says it feels like an uphill battle that never ends.
It's hurtful. You know, he still, at the end of the day, the man gets to talk to his kids. He gets to talk to his grandchildren, but we don't get to talk to our mom. We don't have our mom.
Harbison's mom, Amanda Weir, was killed 7 years ago. Evansville police say Robert Ballard Jr. targeted her mom and Harbison's grandma while they were in a car on Delaware Street. Police say he shot and killed Weir and injured Harbison's grandma in front of 2 kids in the back seat.
My grandma, she's so traumatized. She hears one loud sound and she's hiding. She's hiding and covering her head. My brother, he calls me crying all the time, just wanting his mom.
Ballard is charged with murder and attempted murder. He was found incompetent to stand trial 4 times before going to trial in December 2022. But that ultimately ended in a mistrial. He has been found incompetent 3 other times since then.
If you've been found incompetent 7 times, there's clearly some issues there.
Jeremy Rosenthal is a criminal defense lawyer and says it is not unusual for people like Ballard to be found incompetent several times. He says before going to trial, Ballard has to be declared competent by a doctor.
And what happens is the court then assigns a doctor to do a competency evaluation. The doctor comes back and says this person is competent to stand trial. They understand the nature and the charges against them, and they're capable of assisting their counsel in trial.
Ballard was finally scheduled to go to trial on Monday, but that has now been canceled to evaluate his competency again.
We are suffering. We just want justice.
Ann Powell, Eyewitness News.